Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Good morning. It is a Monday morning for me over here. It is before 10 a.m. which I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of impressed because I've been sleeping in really late, like really late recently, because I have been at my house. And so it's 9:49. I got up, walked around, but basically I have one class today from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. I have a group project meeting I have to do, which is gonna be sometime in the afternoon just because that works best with our schedules. And I also need to pack to go back to school today. I have 2 more weeks of school, like I guess it's more like a week of classes and then like finals, but I'm gonna be there for work and I need to go back like today or tomorrow. I have to be back by tomorrow at 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and so it's like I have no idea if I'm gonna go back today or tomorrow. Basically though, I just want to get ready for that. But yeah, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. So I grabbed my laptop. I'm in bed mainly because I don't want to move. But yeah, oh my gosh, y'all. I have to show you really quick before I get started. Look at these blue light glasses I wear. They're from Diff. First of all, I feel like they make me look smart, but they work so well. Best blue light glasses I've ever had. Sadie! Oh my gosh, look at my dog. Hello, girl. Hello. Oh my gosh, are you so excited? Hello. I've got a couple things to submit for my classes, so I was gonna go in now, submit a couple things, and then start off my day like that. Okay, so one more thing. If you've been following along for a while, or if you know me in real life, you know I'm like obsessed with my planner. But this year with COVID, I've been really like, I don't know, I just haven't put a lot in my planner because it feels like so much is up in the air. But the one thing I do to stay consistent and to keep on top of my stuff that has worked really well, so I keep like a running note in my phone, and as I do different things I cross them off, and yeah, different levels of like urgency of what has to happen, and also I have like upcoming things, and it works. So I just finished turning in a couple things for school, checking a few things off my list. Now I put in my contacts and I'm gonna make my bed really quick. Gotta put on clothes. If you can't tell, I take morning slow around here. There's something else I was gonna tell you and I can't remember what it was, but yeah, gonna make my bed and get dressed. Ooh. If you can't tell, I'm in my favorite pajama set, and so I've been wanting to keep these pajamas on, but it's time to start my day, so let's go. Got some waffles in the toaster. I'm gonna eat those Eggos. This Texas Ex's tumbler is like the best cup ever, and I never use it, but it was in my kitchen at home, so I'm using it now. The waffles was popped. Oh, these are good. It is now, oh my gosh, it's like noon now. So since we last talked, I think you saw I ate my breakfast, but I just sat and did a bunch of chore things I needed to get done. So I washed some dishes I left out last night, I folded some laundry, I put on some makeup, I tidied up in my room a little bit. I decided officially, like it's a big deal, I decided I'm going home tomorrow after my classes end around noon, and I'm going home sometime before my shift at 4. That is nice because that takes a little bit of pressure off of me, and that also means I can like stay home and watch TV with my mom tonight and just chill. I'm excited. I mean, I'm only going back for 2 weeks, so it's not super long, but I know I don't think most of my friends are back at school anyways. Right now what I need to do is I have this social media class I'm taking and it's asynchronous, so the last thing I have to do is this one project. It hasn't been hard this whole time, but this project is like very involved. There's a lot of steps to it. So I have to make a hypothetical content creation plan for if I were covering the Oscars. I chose the Oscars because we had a couple options. I wasn't going to cover the Super Bowl because I did not trust myself with that plan. But I have to come up with like a hypothetical or like a made up publication, and then I gotta make some logos and make like a Twitter and an Instagram for it, make a couple tweets. So I am on Word Hippo right now. I don't know if y'all have ever used that little thesaurus kind of site, but I'm going to come up with that, and if I could get this done today, I would literally be done with this class, and then tomorrow I have a presentation. Like if I could get this done today, I will be done with 2 of my 5 classes in the next 24 hours. So I'm just gonna get to it. We'll see what we can get done. So I finished a few things for my social media project. I'm not done. I'm about to go to class now because it's starting literally now. She doesn't talk for a minute or two usually, so it's chill, but I'm logging on to my Zoom. I'm eating some Cheez-Its. That's not lunch, but that is a pre-lunch snack. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock. I'm going to my Zoom. I'm excited but nervous. Today we are writing a song, I think. People always think my classes are literally crazy, but I have to tell you about this after the fact. So I'm going to my Zoom and I will see you guys in a bit. 3 o'clock now and I'm done with class for the day. Today in my class we were writing a song, so that's fun. I'm in this class, it's called like Finding Your Purpose in Communication because I'm a comm major, and it's literally the most fun class I've ever taken. But we do a lot of independent work, and there's just like a lot of like, I guess like self-growth we're focusing on, but she wanted us to do something more collaborative, which I don't know, I feel like we do a lot together but we don't necessarily do like a project like this. So we were broken up into 4 groups and we're all writing four different I guess stanzas of a song, so that's interesting. And I ate some lunch. I watched some John Mulaney interviews while I ate lunch, just kind of as a little break. I'm kind of hitting that 3 p.m. slump, but I wanted to share with you some ways that I get like back on task or re-inspired when I'm struggling, because I mean, let's face it, we all know that working from home or school from home can really be a struggle. So what I like to do is sometimes I legit like have a dance party, I put in my AirPods, I like throw on something fun, I just kind of bop around my room. And I know that sounds like super weird, but it will make you feel better if you pick the right music and you just kind of dance it out. That's a lot of fun. Also, sometimes I will just set a timer and be like, okay, for 15 minutes or for 10 minutes I'm going to work, not check my phone, not move, not do anything. And if you actually work really hard for 10 minutes, it's kind of crazy how much you can get done in 10 minutes of focus versus like 30 minutes of distracted. And also sometimes just like actually taking a break, like taking a walk, just letting that happen, or working on a project that I think requires a different part of your brain can be super helpful. So with this project I'm on now, I'm trying to just like get little bit by bit done because I am having a hard time with it, but I'm like, hey, anything I do is another part of it done. I feel like I have done everything and nothing today. So I am about to film a TikTok. I sound like this is communication college for you. I'm showing something that I've already bought, and then at the end I'm gonna be wearing it. I'm horrible at lip syncing. I did the lip syncing part. It's still bad, but I am going to now take my outdoor voices. I showed a crop top in the video that I'm pretty sure is the one I have. The colors I have now are the discontinued colors, so I'm just hoping no one notices, but like I think it's going to be funny. I hope. I don't know, or embarrassing, but hey, oh well. So I filmed the second part. I put on my like crop top for this, and I had my bag. I think it worked. I think I'm embarrassed. I also think I don't care. This, what we're doing, it's not, this part that we decided to do is not even for a grade. This is just us, like, I guess going the extra mile because we thought it would look cute and add to the project, and I really think it does. So, I mean, I say that. I think my friend's is a lot better than mine, but I think that mine is a fun time, and it's very on brand. May or may not put on my real TikTok, but if you're wondering, here it is.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Okay, the TikTok is complete. It's up. Let's go. It's dinner time. I'm in the kitchen. Mom doesn't want to be on camera today. It's okay. We are having roast beef sandwiches. You're such a good sport usually though. I caught her off guard. So I filmed the TikTok. Honestly, I just want to stop doing things. So we are eating roast beef sandwiches. I'm going to get some ice water in my cup. And yeah, we're going to wind down for the night. Ooh, I keep throwing up peace signs. It's really embarrassing, but also it's who I am. We're about to make s'mores. I got, from my work, I got a gift, and our little Christmas gift had these s'mores from Amy's. They're called Big Kid Snore. They're called Big Kid S'mores. I'm a mess today. Okay, so like it says Big Kid S'mores. It's from Amy's. But so there's Belgian dark chocolate, Mexican vanilla marshmallows, and the cookies. And I guess these are like their signature flavors. So they're supposed to be really tasty. Okay, so when I open it, it's cute. Let me see. So there's some little napkins, but there's special marshmallows, there's chocolate, and then the little cookies are on the bottom.
One Biscoff cookie on a microwave safe plate.
Okay. This is so cute. It's perfect. And then these marshmallows are supposed to be really good too. I don't even know. And then look, the little chocolate says Amy's. So, oh yeah, we have enough biscuits. I'm gonna take a little cookie. Okay, here we go. Oh, so I can just use a big piece of chocolate though, right? Ooh! This is about to be really good.
This is a fork project.
You want a fork? Big kid fork? Tiny fork. So mom cooked hers first and it is kind of a mess. So how long did you say? Can I do like 5?
I did 9 seconds and it made it a big mess, so it's up to you.
I'm gonna do like 5 or 6 seconds. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is just right. Okay. And here is our little finished s'more. It's like melty, but not too melty. Really good. 10 out of 10.